Sabria, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below for more tutorials. Today I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on the versatile Flipover Quickweave featuring two 20-inch lightyaki bundles from Curlsqueen. I'm going to begin by just pouring out my entire perimeter leave out and braiding it to get it out the way. I did heavily rely on a handheld mirror for this style, so I would recommend to use one, but now I'm just doing my leave out trick, and if I can't see the comb, that means I have enough leave out. Now I'm going to get into the molding process, so I'm just going to split my hair down in two sections, and I'm going to use Ampro styling gel to do my mold instead of braiding down my foundation. Process up to here is how I usually do my molds, but this time I'm going to do it a little bit different. Instead of braiding my ponytail, I'm just going to slick it down. I might not be explaining it, but you guys see, like, I'm going to just fold it up instead of braiding it. And I chose to do this method because I do want to style my Flipover versatile Quickweave into an updo. This just ensures that my base is extremely flat. Now I'm going to go in with my Robert's Diamonds Protective Shield and one layer of Got2b glue spray, and then sit under your dryer for 10 minutes. Now it's time to start placing our tracks. For an average Flipover, when you don't really mind your hair flipping to any side, you would place your tracks in this way, but that little space will be in the middle of your head. For me, I want like a bang Flipover, therefore my open space is on the side of my head. Nonetheless, for any Flipover, you want to lay your tracks going towards your face in a U shape. And you want that open space to continue to get smaller and smaller. As you guys follow along, you'll understand what I mean. This is the open space I was referring to. Up here, you want to lay your tracks as close as possible without that part being bulky. And as you guys see, I'm still laying them in a U shape. So now I'm just going to take out all my leave out braids and then spray Heat Protectant and Bio Silk on my leave out and then flat iron it. I did want to go around the perimeter of the Quickweave with my hot comb just to ensure flatness when I'm pulling it up. And this is how the Flipover would look if I was to just leave it down straight. And this is also how it would look in a ponytail. It's very seamless. So now it's time to get into styling this updo. You do want to pour out your bang first, and don't be skeeved when pouring out the amount of hair for your bang. Now, putting all of it into the ponytail is not that easy. I just say be patient, and if you have to take down your ponytail like twice, that's okay. just to get it in the middle and flat, like all your perimeter flat. I do recommend using a weave brush and a comb. Now that I've got everything into a ponytail, I'm just going to lightly layer the hair that's in the ponytail as well as my bang. Now we're going to begin curling. You always want to curl away from your face. I wanted like a really messy, pretty look. So I kind of left a lot of pieces just down, just curl, instead of mostly putting all my curl pieces up into the updo. So you really want to style the updo into the look that you're going for. Love this style on myself. It's so girly and like classy, and it's not really hard to do at all. And as I said in the beginning, I only used 2 packs of their 20-inch lightyaki hair, and it was super full. This looks like a 3-bundle in style, but it has a natural look to it. This texture blended in with my hair so good, you could not tell me this not my hair, and it held a good curl. And it was so soft. I would definitely use this hair again. The blend is just amazing. This is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, as well as any other tutorials you guys would like to see.